This video is for the few of my followers who commented on my sneezing video where I drank black coffee and I needed to sneeze. And I just made a fresh pot of black coffee, and it's pretty strong. So I'm gonna test and see how many times I can sneeze or need to sneeze after drinking this. It's really hot right now, so I'm sitting down now because I wanted to sit down, but so okay, let's see if I need to sneeze. Okay. I think that was it. 2 times. I don't think I'm allergic to coffee. I really hope the freak not, because I love coffee.